You'll agree, winters are all for vogue. You can finally style yourself with jackets, scarves, hats, and boots. All the inspiration which you have noted from movies and pins of Pinterest are finally here to try on. But winters are not only here for style. The number one goal should be to protect yourself from cold. Hello everyone, welcome to Fabric Lore. My name is Anubha Khandelwal and today I am going to talk about 4 fabrics which are best suitable for winters for you. Fabrics which will protect you from winter chills and keep you in vogue at the same time. You must recall and have seen Scottish skirts, jackets from movies. You must have seen those on the royal families of England as well. Those sturdy skirts and jackets are made from the magical fabric called tweed. If you want to carry classiness and chicness in your style, tweed is one great option for you. They usually come in earthy tones which makes it perfect for every occasion. Tweed's rough and sturdy textures helps to protect you from the chills. Some people have sensitive skins. They can use linen inside and wear it. Now you must be wondering, what can you make from tweed? Checks are most popular pattern, but plains and stripes are also loved equally. Go for jackets, trench coats, blazers, skirts, dress, or maybe you can try hat as well. Are you someone who is mad about cotton but can't do anything because of winters? Wait, I have a solution for you. Quilt fabrics. What is quilt fabric? Quilt fabric is a 3-layer fabric which includes woven cloth on top, a batting inside, and a plain or similar woven cloth on bottom. They are generally used in blankets. Now you must be recalling them. Quilts are heavy and thicker and so are perfect for your winter wear. But now you will say that you have only seen quilts in blankets. But let me tell you, they equally look good in jackets as well. It kind of gives you feel like puffer jackets. The quilt fabric is not very commonly available in the market, but if you want to try some, you can check out the link in description. If you are lucky, it will still be available for you. Well, almost everyone looks for fabrics that are durable and last long. One of those fabrics is corduroy. The fabric is well known for its distinctive rigid pattern. It ticks marks all 3 boxes. Soft and cozy feel, velvet type finish, and well, it looks great no matter what. Corduroy has this cult appeal and almost everyone sees it as a versatile, sturdy fabric which is not just perfect for coats but also for home furnishing. Well, talking about what can you sport in corduroy, you can go for dress with high boots, dungarees with high neck woolen sweaters, jackets, pants, skirts, and hat. So if you're looking for something which is rough and tough and stylish at the same time, corduroy is here for you. 4th point, silk. If you want to keep your look luxury, go for silk. Now you must be wondering, silk? So before you start to ponder, let me tell you, silk have a lot of variety, and I am here talking about this particular kind of silk. These are premium silks which you can carry in any wedding ceremony or on any special occasion. These are thick weave silks and usually people make suits and lehenga. But oh god, suits, pants, blazers and even dresses equally looks good. There are lightweighted silk also which you can carry as scarves, stoles in any streetwear look. So these are some of our suggestions. I am also curious to know what are your favorite winter fabrics. Do tell us in the comments. In coming days we are going to talk about more about fabrics here. So if you want to know anything particular, let us know in the comment section. Until then, see you for the next time. Bye. Also, if you are someone who loves to DIY, or just someone plain who loves to create things from fabric, and you have no place to showcase your work, you do things for yourself, but those remain in walls of your home. So we have created a platform for you where you can just come, find a fellow creators like you who like to share ideas, present their creations, talk, go live, make videos, and lot more things. But where do we do this all? We do here on our Facebook group. So join our DIY and sewing Facebook group and be a part of Fab community. See you next time.